Hi, welcome to AKTV. Hopes you are doing very well. Let's don't waste our time and come to the topic.
Top amazing graphic designing tools in 2023 as of 2023. Some of the top graphic design tools are here. Adobe Creative Cloud. Adobe's suite of creative tools, including Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign, remains one of the most popular and widely used design software collections. Figma. Figma is a cloud-based design platform that allows for real-time collaboration and team design work. Canva. Canva is a graphic design tool that offers a simple, intuitive drag-and-drop interface for creating designs for various use cases, from social media posts to presentations. Sketch. Sketch is a vector graphics editor and digital design tool specifically built for interface design and website prototyping. Affinity Designer. Affinity Designer is a powerful vector graphic design tool that is an affordable alternative to Adobe Illustrator. Inkscape. Inkscape is an open-source vector graphics editor that offers a range of design tools for creating and editing graphics and illustrations. GIMP. GIMP is a free, open-source image editing and graphics design tool that offers a range of features and capabilities similar to those found in Adobe Photoshop. Procreate. Procreate is a digital illustration and sketching tool designed specifically for the iPad and iOS platform. These tools each have their own unique features and capabilities, and the right choice for a particular project will depend on the individual designer's needs and preferences. Hope so you find this video very amazing. Thank you very much for watching. Do share, like and subscribe AKTV.